Hello and welcome to Not Your Roommate's Food Waste. Not Your Family's Workshop series is brought to you by AmeriCorps and the Cincinnati Public Allies. To learn more, visit nyfworkshops.com/about. In this video, we will learn about food waste and the benefits of preventing it. According to the EPA, 94% of our food waste will end up in a landfill. When you buy your food strategically, you are saving money by purchasing less food. Also, reducing your food waste lowers methane emissions that can reduce your carbon footprint. You can save money and prevent food waste by planning, prepping, and storing your food properly. Planning. When going to the grocery, make a list and stick to it. If you plan your meals, you are more likely to buy only what you need and less likely to waste food. Check your refrigerator and pantry before shopping to make sure you don't buy what you already have. Prepping. Take the time to prepare your food when you get home from the grocery. This way, food will already be chopped, diced, etc. when you are ready to prepare your meal. This will save time in the future, and if the food is already prepped, make it less likely to sit unused. Remember, your freezer is your friend. If you prepare meals ahead of time, you can have ready-to-eat meals in your freezer during the week. Storing. Wait to wash berries until you want to eat them to prevent mold. Check out the following chart on how to store fruits and vegetables so they can stay fresh longer inside or outside your refrigerator. We hope this video was informative and helpful. Please make sure to complete an evaluation survey at nyfworkshops.com/evaluation. These evaluations will help us determine if the video series should continue and how we can improve the content of future workshops. Participants who complete at least 3 evaluations by May 22nd, 2020 will be entered into a raffle to win a $25 gift card. Thanks for watching our video. Looking to learn more life skills? Check out the rest of our videos. Please send any questions to nyfworkshops@gmail.com. Special thanks to the following individuals and organizations for providing the information and resources to make this video possible.